Hello, happy people. I hope you're having a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious kind of a day. Thanks for stopping by. I am doing a pour painting that was inspired by a fellow YouTube artist, and what she did was very interesting. It was an open cup pour, and the open cup that she was using was shaped like a tulip. Well, I don't have what she had, but I did have this empty oatmeal container, so I hacked it. Okay, I cut me 5 triangles at the bottom, 5-pointed star, and this is what I'm going to use. Now initially I tried to cut the top end. I'm one of those people that makes things much harder on myself than they really have to be, which is why I was never good at algebra. So having said that, I thought I was gonna be able to press this down a little bit as I did the pour, but then I was like, no, the paint will seep through the bottom of this part and it'll ruin the shape, so I can't do that. So yeah, as I was mixing my paint, I had an epiphany, a wonderful epiphany. Ding! Girl, the bottom of the container is already level. I know you know that, right? So just cut your little triangles in the bottom of the container. It'll be all right. Okay, so that's what I did. And the colors that I'm using are inspired by the colors in this painting. These, well, I'm going to show you this whole painting. This is a painting that I just did a couple of days ago, and I'm going to try it again. See my little Batman flying right there. It's supposed to be negative space there, but I'm going to have to, next time, put my paint closer to the edge so I can have more negative space. I'm going to try it again because it was inspired by Molly's artistry. It's a painting that I saw on her YouTube page, not her Instagram page, and I was just fell in love with the color scheme, so I was like, let me try that. Now this is a Dutch pour. So anyway, the inspiration is these colors right here, the lime green, yellow, pink, and viridian. It just makes me feel some kind of way when I look at it, like it makes my heart sing. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to get you down on the canvas. Oh, and before I go any further, please help me grow my YouTube channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because I love making videos. I'm a caregiver for my mom, and I don't have anything else to do. This keeps me from going stir crazy, and it really just makes me happy. That artist high, you know, that artist high you get when you're painting, if you're a painter. And if you haven't tried acrylic painting, you probably should, because it's a whole lot of fun. I'm just throwing that out there. So, okay, I'm going to get you down on the canvas, and we're going to have some fun. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my canvas with white. I'm just going to smear some white on this canvas just to create some slippage. I'm just going to rub it around with my hands. That feels so good and messy. If there's anything that I don't like about pour painting, it is the fact that very often, more often than not, especially when you're doing a ring pour, the most interesting part always slides off the canvas. So I'm hoping that this turns out well. Okay, I'm gonna blow out these bubbles here. I've got some more paper towels in my pocket. I better get them out. This could get messy. Real messy. Real fast. Okay. Here goes nothing, honey. Wish me luck. So I'm placing that in the center. And here it goes. So I'm going to start with white. And I don't know if you can see it yet, but the white is oozing out of there. So then I'm going to go with this yellow. And then I'm going to go with this turquoise. It's actually Viridian green. And then I'm going to put some lime green on top of that. And right away, I wish I would have made the little grooves bigger, but it's too late now, so we're just gonna roll with it, honey. You can see the color emerging. I'm gonna put a touch of gold. And then I'm gonna put some more Viridian. Some more yellow. Pink. There is something about that pink and that yellow coming together. I just love it. Like, feels like sunshine. Some more gold. Some more green. I've got this purple mixed up. Oh, no, I'm not gonna put that purple there. I want to put the purple, but I'm trying to keep it light. Okay, I'm trying to go for a vibrant energy. Put some more white on there. Some more pink. Some more yellow. Some more Viridian. I'm gonna pick it up. And the color combination is really, really beautiful. That I love. And I'm proud of myself. I didn't stick that purple in there. I have a tendency to use colors that I said I wasn't going to use. Like I start off with an idea and then I add to it. And okay, so wish me luck. Some of these paints are thinner. This looks nothing like, you can never recreate what somebody else did. It's just darn near impossible. But I like the concept. Okay, I'm just gonna go around and fix my sides. I'm gonna come over here and make sure my edges are covered. Kind of reminds me of a wrecked ring pour. I kind of want to do this, but I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to do that again. Okay, guys, that's it for that one. I am quite pleased. I really like it. I really do. I love that neon pink. And when she's dry, I will show you the finished look. I am gonna get my camera and come around to that side of the table because I realize there's a glare from the window. That's what she looks like from my vantage point. Beautiful. Hello, beautiful. So this is the finished dried version. I'm very, very pleased with the way she turned out. I love this color combination. I mean, this could be really, really addictive. I love the little splashes of neon pink, especially right there. Those little splashes catch my eye. I mean, the whole thing is just, honey, this is just eye candy. That's all that is. That's eye candy, eye candy. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys.